Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to beat Temu Fishland. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And now, with that said, once you are on the Temu, in order for you to beat Temu Fishland, is by just simply keep feeding your fish every single day. And as you can see, once we feed it, we'll be able to collect some coins, and after that, as you can see, we have a $2 coins reward. And from here, just simply keep feeding your fish until you receive these items. And as you can see, I have $54 left to take them all. And from here, guys, just simply play the game consistently and feed your fish. And as you can see, we'll be able to collect some coins in order for us to take them all. So guys, another way to beat Temu Fishland is by just inviting your friends. As you can see, when you tap on friends over here down below on the left side of the screen, you should be able to invite friends here by just clicking messenger messages, or you can tap on a more over here to share it to your friends, and you can share it into multiple social media platform, or you can just simply copy the link over here down below, and after that you can just paste it, and you should be able to invite your friends. And as you can see over here, when you invite your friends, you'll be able to claim some fish food. And from there, when you claim this fish food, you'll be able to feed your fishes, and you'll be able to collect some coins. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.